Hello friends, I am Ankur Khandelwal, your math teacher. In the previous video we have discussed two questions of 2020 question paper. And in this video, we'll be covering four questions. One is from 2019, 2018, 2017, 2016. The main thing that you need to understand, obviously a variety of questions I am taking here, but understand how to approach a question. I always tell there will be one thing which you have to maximize or minimize, or कुछ ना कुछ given हो. Let's start this. Now in this question, you have a rectangular tank whose depth is given to you, that is 2 meter, and the volume is 8 meter cube. The building cost of the base is 70 rupees per square meter, and for the sides 4 walls this is 45 rupees per square meter for the sides. What is the cost of the least cost of this tank? It is clear that this tank is open from top. So whatever is given, we'll write it first. The first thing that is given to us is volume, that is 8 meter cube. This thing I have already taken to. Volume of cuboid is LBH. LBH means 2xy equal to 8. So xy equal to what? 4. Second thing, we have to minimize the cost. Least expensive cost we need to calculate. So what we can write? Cost is, in cost we'll multiply the area of base by 70 and remaining area by 45. So base का एरिया क्या होगा? देखो आप x into y xy. So xy का में किसका मल्टीप्लाई होगा? 70 का. And plus remaining की बात करते हैं. This side will be 2 into y 2y. The front side 2 into x 2x. अब ये 2y है तो ये भी 2y. Front is 2x, back is 2x. Means I can say 4x plus 4y, or you can say 45 into 2 into 2x plus 2 into 2y. So the cost function is clear. You can also write the cost function as 70 into area of base plus 45 into area of 4 walls. So 70 into area of base क्या हो जाएगा? This will be xy plus 45 4 वॉल से ये लेफ्ट साइड वाला वॉल क्या बोलेगा? y into 2y. तो इसके अपोजिट भी 2y. This is 2x. x into 2. Front is 2x. Back is 2x. So 2x 2 into 2x plus 2 into 2y. The same thing I have written here. So I will simplify this and will convert it into single variable. I am having, this is my equation number 1. By equation number 1, I can write 70. What is xy? Xy is 4 plus 45 to the 90, 90 to the 180, 180x. 45 for the 180. This y can be written as 4 upon x. So 280 plus 180x plus 720 upon x. This is the cost function I am writing as C. Now it is in the form of single variable. We'll apply the procedure. First derivative equal to 0. Second derivative will check. Let's see. dc by dx. 0 plus 180 minus 720 upon x square will equate it to 0. So we'll have 180 equal to 720 upon x square. So 180 for the 720, x square equal to 4. So x क्या हो गया? Plus minus 2. Obviously x is a length, so it cannot be negative. So we have x equal to plus 2. Now we'll find second order derivative. b square c upon dx square. 180 का 0, x 1 upon x square का minus 2 means minus minus plus 2 into 720 upon x cube. Now when I will put x equal to 2, so b square c upon d x square is 2 into 720 upon x square x cube 2 cube. You need not to calculate. You can calculate, that is okay, but you can say this is positive. So minima at x equal to 2. Now what you have to calculate? You have to calculate the minimum cost. The cost function that you have is this. So I can write minimum cost is C minimum. X की वैल्यू पुट कर दो 280 plus 180 into x 2 plus 720 upon 2. So this is 280 plus 180 to the 360 plus this is 360. 360 360 720 720 plus 280 means the total is 1000 rupees is the minimum cost to make this box. Now next question class from 2018. We have a window in the form of rectangle that is surmounted by a semicircle. The total perimeter of this window is 10 meter. What you need to find the dimension of the window to admit the maximum length through the opening. तो इससे जो ओपनिंग है इससे मैक्सिमम लाइट जाए ऐसा हमें बताना है किस केस में होगा, किस डायमेंशंस में होगा. Obviously what we need to do, we need to maximize the area. So we'll first let the dimension of the rectangle. Suppose I take the length. I am taking length as 2x. You can also take x, no problem in that. Purpose बस मेरा इतना है कि ये भी 2x होगा तो radius x हो जाएगा. Radius of the semicircle is x. And this I am taking as y. Now what is given to me? It is given to me that perimeter is 10. Perimeter क्या होगा? Sum of all the sides. This is 2x. 2x plus y 2y. 2x plus 2y. This semicircle का perimeter is what? 5x equal to 10. This is my equation number 1. And what I have to maximize? Maximize area. Area will be what? Area of rectangle plus area of semicircle. So area of the rectangle is length into breadth. Length is 2x, width is y, 2x into y. Plus area of semicircle is half of pi r square. Radius is x. Now we have two variables. We want to convert it into single. So from equation number 1, just pay attention here. By equation number 1, can I write 2y equal to 10 minus 2x minus pi x. So I am putting in place of 2y. This a equal to x I am taking common. 2y के place पे 10 minus 2x minus pi x plus half pi x square. So you will have area 10x minus 2x square minus pi x square plus pi x square upon 2. Now you will simplify these two terms. Pi x square common. And you will have 10x minus 2x square minus pi x square by 2. Now this is in the form of single variable. We will apply the same procedure. dA by dx 10 minus 4x minus 2 pi x upon 2 से 2 cancel equal to 0. So 10 equal to 4x plus pi x. So 10 upon 4 plus pi is equal to x. We'll find second order derivative. D square upon dx square, that is 10 का 0, 4x का 4. This will be minus pi. So this will always be negative, less than 0. So we'll say A has maxima at x equal to 10 upon pi plus 4. Right? Now I will calculate y from this. So by equation number 2, dimensions निकालना है हमें. 2y equal to 10 minus 2x. x ये है तो 2x होगा 20 upon pi plus 4 minus pi x. Pi into 10 upon pi plus 4. I am taking LCM. LCM will be pi plus 4. 10 pi plus 40 minus 20 minus 10 pi. 10 pi से 10 pi cancel. 40 में से 20 गया 20. 2y equal to 20 upon pi plus 4. So this is 10. Y equal to 10 upon pi plus 4. अब आप देखो डायमेंशंस क्या है. डायमेंशंस में आपके पास first dimension is the length of the rectangle. This is 2x. 2x में क्या हो जाएगा, 2x will be what, 20 upon pi plus 4. Then breadth is y, that is 10 upon pi plus 4, and radius is x, that is 10 upon pi plus 4. These will be the dimensions. Now next question we have of triangle. In a triangle, the sum of lengths of hypotenuse and a side is given. यहाँ पे given है means given constant है, कुछ fixed quantity. Show that the area of triangle is maximum when the angle between them means जिनका sum था pi by 3 है. Okay. Now we have taken a right angle triangle. In that I am taking base as x, height as y, and hypotenuse as z. All are variable. What is given to you? It was given that sum of length of hypotenuse and a side. तो hypotenuse तो z हो गया, उसके साथ कोई भी side ले लो. Suppose मैं x लेता हूँ. x plus z equal to k. Given. Given है बेटा, k माना है, कुछ ही मान सकते हो. That is a constant thing. Equation number 1. Now what you have to maximize? Area. एरिया मैक्सिमाइज करना. एरिया क्या होता है, 1/2xy. When angle between them means ये जो एंगल है थीटा, that should be pi by 3. थीटा इक्वल टू pi by 3 पे होना चाहिए. Let's start. I have also written Pythagoras theorem, x square plus y square equal to z. Now I will come to this area. I have to write it in the form of single variable. Just pay attention here. This area is 1/2x. Can I write y from this equation? Y can be written as under root z square minus x square. Still we have two variables. Now this 1/2x, this can be written as z plus x and z minus x. So 1/2 into x, this z plus x can be written as k, and z minus x. Z minus x में in place of z I can write k minus x. माइनस एक्स तो पहले से था, z के प्लेस पे k माइनस एक्स रख दिया है मैंने. सो 1/2x अंडर रूट k इंटू k स्क्वायर माइनस 2x इंटू k माइनस 2kx. Now this area in the form of single variable. Now we'll apply the same thing. First derivative dA by dx. First function, second function. 1/2 मैंने अलग ही लिखा. First function differentiation of second root x का 1/2 root x, and this is minus 2x 2k plus second function differentiation of first x का 1, and I have taken LCM लिया है मैंने. ये multiply होगा, will be getting this, and later on you will be getting this. Now second step, putting dA by dx equal to 0. When I put dA by dx equal to 0 means this whole will be equal to 0. ये राइट में जाएगा, डिनोमिनेटर 0 हो जाएगा. k square minus 3kx equal to 0. So k square equal to 3kx. We can write एक k से एक k कैंसिल हो गया. x equal to k by 3. x equal to क्या आ गया है, k by 3. Now we'll find second derivative and we'll check the condition for maxima. Now I will be differentiating this dA by dx. Divide rule लगाएंगे हम यहाँ पे. Second square, second differentiation of first is minus 3k minus first differentiation of second. अब आप ध्यान से देखो, आप यहाँ पे हम वैल्यू पुट करने वाले हैं k की x की k by 3. बस हमें चेक करना है पॉजिटिव है या नेगेटिव है. We are not concerned about the value. 1/2 this is divide में k square minus 2k x के प्लेस पे k by 3, रूट से स्क्वायर कैंसिल हो जाएगा. minus 3k into under root k square minus 2k k by 3. Now if I put x की जगह k by 3, 3 से 3 k square minus k square 0 हो जाएगा. बेटा ये टर्म 0 होगा, तो सेकंड वाला टर्म पूरा क्या हो जाएगा, 0. Now k square minus 2 by 3 k square, this is 1/3 k square. So minus 3k into 1/3 k square means k by root 3 whole upon this is k square by 3. Now k square से k square cancel हो जाएगा and you will have whatever that is less than 0. So less than 0 हो रहा है, so A has maxima at x equal to k by 3. now maxima तो आ गया, but you need to prove theta pi by 3 होगा between x and z. now x और z के बीच में देखो base और hypotenuse का relation है. what I am writing here, we can write we have cos theta equal to base upon hypotenuse. now x तो है, z नहीं है आपके पास, so you can write here x plus z equal to k. x है k by 3 plus z equal to k, so z equal to 2k by 3. so I am putting it here, x k by 3, y 2k by 3, k by 3 से k by 3 cancel 1 by 2, cos theta 1 by 2 का होता है and theta is pi by 3. so theta equal to pi by 3 पे we have maxima. okay, so this is clear to all of you. now next question from 2017 is show that the surface area of a closed cuboid with square base. देखो length और width x दिया है, square base दिया है and given volume is minimum. in surface area इसका minimum होगा when it is a cube. cube proof करना है means height भी हमारा x होना चाहिए. so what is given to you in the question? given is volume. volume is length lbh. lbh क्या हो जाएगा अपना? length is x, width is x square, y is constant. volume is constant. now we have to minimize surface area. surface area is what? twice of lb plus bh plus hl. यहाँ पे देखो twice length और width x है, x square हो जाएगा plus xy plus xy. so we have twice of x square plus 4xy, sorry 2xy, right? okay, now we'll convert it into single variable. देखो यहाँ से by equation number 1, equation number 1 से मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ? y के प्लेस पे v upon x square I am putting. so 2 times x square plus 2x into v upon x square. एक x से एक x cancel, so we have twice of x square plus 2v by x. अब देखो सेम वैरायटी है, सिंगल वेरिएबल में कन्वर्ट हो ही गया है. we'll differentiate it and we'll find later on at the end what you will get. you will get x equal to y. so first derivative ds upon dx 2 times x square का 2x, 1 by x का minus 1 by x square equal to 0 करेंगे हम. so 2x equal to क्या हो जाएगा? 2v by x square. उसे to cancel we have x cube equal to v, means x equal to v की power 1 by 3. we'll find second derivative d square x upon dx square 2 times 2x का differentiation 2 and this differentiation is minus minus plus 4b upon x cube. now putting x as d की power 1 by 3, but x cube तो v है ना, 2 times 2 plus 4b upon v, 6 to the 12, that is positive. so at x cube equal to v, या फिर ये बोल सकते हो x equal to v की power 1 by 3, s has minima. s has minima. so equation number 1 v equal to x square y, और हमारा v क्या निकला है बेटा कंडीशन में? x cube equal to x square y. तो x कैंसिल होगा, x equal to y, और x equal to y आ गया means we have in the cube to see ये लेंथ x था, width x था, हाइट y था. अब अगर हाइट भी x हो जाएगा तो तीनों साइड्स इक्वल हो जाएंगे. l equal to b equal to h, so it is a cube. so now the concluding statement that in maxima and minima, if I prepare 2 more video that will be less in covering the questions. the main thing you should understand here the concept, क्या करना है हमें, approach क्या है questions का, that is very important. I have tried to take the previous year questions that will definitely benefit you. So please practice the many questions. I will try to make some more video if possible.